Imagine a cavalry that was so revered and feared that it could make even the strongest forces in ancient Greece shudder. These were the mythical skills of the Thessalian horsemen, lords of the battlefield who changed the course of war. However, what distinguished them as the best riders of their era? Join me as we explore the mysteries behind these legendary fighters and the pivotal conflicts they won. Welcome to Global World. We are going to explore the world of the Thessalian cavalry, who were the most skilled fighters in classical Greece. My name is Hasnain. These were not your average horsemen, rather, they were the pinnacle of strength, cunning, and ability. These riders were trained from an early age and acquired skills that made them unstoppable in combat. The Thessalians were a formidable force with their unbreakable formations and lightning-fast tactics. But what really made them unique? We'll look at their intense training, creative strategies, and significant historical impact in this video. Watch this space, you're going to be astounded by what you find out next. The Thessalian cavalry, renowned for being the experts in Greek battlefields, faced their own difficult obstacles. Imagine yourself as a member of an elite force with unparalleled planning and talent, but you're also under continual attack from the aspirations of competing city-states like Sparta, Athens and Thebes. Every one of these factions has their own soldiers, all vying to be called the best in Greece. The Thessalians were up against armies that had their own strategies and advantages, thus they had to continuously demonstrate their dominance. However, that wasn't the only difficulty. The entire essence of conflict was changing. Threatening to surpass even the most experienced Thessalian riders were new battle formations, enhanced weaponry, and creative tactics. Just picture the strain to maintain your lead when you know that one mistake could spell disastrous defeat. When faced with such constant pressure, how did they innovate? What tactics did they come up with to outreach their rivals and keep control? This is the tale of perseverance, flexibility, and the unwavering quest of greatness. Not only did the Thessalian cavalry overcome these difficulties, but they also used them as a chance to solidify their historical legacy. Join me as we explore their world, where each conflict served as a litmus test for their abilities and each triumph served as evidence of their lasting influence. This is the tale of perseverance, flexibility, and the unwavering quest of greatness. Not only did the Thessalian cavalry overcome these difficulties, but they also used them as a chance to solidify their historical legacy. Join me as we explore their world, where each conflict served as a litmus test for their abilities and each triumph served as evidence of their lasting influence. After learning about the difficulties they encountered, let's examine what made the Thessalian cavalry the core of numerous Greek armies. They were feared, esteemed, and unrivaled in combat. However, their supremacy wasn't accidental, rather it was developed via rigorous training, inventive strategies, and an unwavering will. Consider yourself a young Thessalian lad who grows up to be one of the best horsemen in Greece. You would receive intense training every day of your childhood with the sole objective of becoming an expert in the art of horse warfare. These warriors were trained to become one with their horses, able to do intricate maneuvers at breakneck speed, in addition to being taught how to ride. On the battlefield, the rider and horse had an almost supernatural bond that allowed them to move as one cohesive, unstoppable force. However, their instruction was only getting started. Their foes had never seen anything like the strategies they used. The wedge formation, a lethal strategy in which horsemen assault in a tight V shape and sever enemy lines like a spear, was invented by the Thessalian cavalry. Their enemies had little time to respond, much less launch a counterattack, due to their swiftness and the accuracy of their assaults. Then there was their capacity for adaptation. The Thessalians had a plan for every possible situation, whether they were up against infantry, archers, or even opposing cavalry. Their greatest weapon was their adaptability, which allowed them to win seemingly hopeless wars. But how in the heat of combat did they manage to keep such accuracy? What was it about them that kept them at the top of the military hierarchy for so long? As we delve into the specifics of their tactics and training, you'll see how the Thessalian cavalry evolved from a mere military force to a legendary force. The main query, though, is how they were able to hold a centuries-long advantage over their competitors. You won't want to miss the story, which has the answer right at the center of their tactics. The intense training, the superior strategy, the legendary skill, all of this was going to be put to the ultimate test in one of the most important conflicts in the annals of ancient Greek history. The decision would not only decide the fate of the fight but also guarantee the Thessalian cavalry's place in history. Therefore, the stakes were higher than ever. This was the time in the Battle of Cynoscephala, which pitted the Roman legions against the powerful Macedonian phalanx. Fighting alongside the Romans, the Thessalian cavalry encountered an opponent who appeared to be nearly unbeatable. With its formidable barrier of spears and shields, the Macedonian phalanx was almost unbreakable through conventional tactics. The Thessalians, however, were not your typical cavalry. This was an incredible attack in terms of timing and precision. Taken by surprise, the Macedonian forces started to disintegrate under the constant strain of the Thessalian attack. This was a masterclass in cavalry combat, not just a fight. The Romans gained the upper hand in the battle as a result of the Thessalian horsemen tearing through the enemy ranks. Just a short while before, the formation appeared unbeatable, but now it was in disarray due to the boldness and intelligence of the Thessalian cavalry. But how could they have known when and where to attack exactly? What gave them the courage to carry out such a risky move in the midst of combat? The secrets that only the greatest horsemen in history could figure out are found in the very core of their preparation and tactics. The Thessalian cavalry's legacy was solidified at this very time, when they not only demonstrated their unparalleled power but also altered the path of history. As we delve further into this important conflict, you'll understand how crucial their participation was and why military strategists are still motivated by their tale today. Let's pause to consider the remarkable legacy of the Thessalian cavalry as we near the end of this journey. We've seen how these skilled horsemen overcame obstacles that would have destroyed less capable fighters to reach the height of military might. The Thessalians not only adapted to the shifting tides of warfare, but they also mastered them thanks to their intense training regimen that started in childhood and their innovative tactics in combat. We looked at the fierce rivalry they had with other city-states, all of them trying to unseat them as the best in Greece. Still, the Thessalonians did not back down, always coming up with new ideas and improving their tactics to maintain their lead. Their ability to outmaneuver even the most fearsome opponents, their unmatched speed and their utilization of the wedge formation made them the stuff the stories are told about. And then we saw their pivotal moment, the Battle of Cynoscephala, where their courage and accuracy reversed the tide of a conflict that seemed unwinnable. The Thessalian cavalry demonstrated in this time why they were more than just warriors. They were the core of numerous Greek armies and a force that could change the path of history. However, the Thessalian cavalry story goes beyond simple military prowess. It is evidence of the effectiveness of talent planning and the unwavering pursuit of perfection. Their legacy will live on in the annals of history. These soldiers faced the continual threat of obsolescence, but they overcame it with sheer resolve and inventiveness. As we draw to a close this chapter, we are reminded that the Thessalian cavalry were legendary, who had a lasting influence on ancient Greece and beyond. They were more than just riders. Their tale serves as a potent reminder of what it takes to succeed and remain at the top despite insurmountable obstacles.